tea brings back a lot of memories. Growing up, every home you went to, every home we visited, they always ended up making tea. And they were like, oh, nakunywa ka chai. Are you going to drink tea? And that was just basically every single time. And I swore never to touch tea or even look at it because I was like, look at those old women. Always tea, chai here. Every time we turn around, they're drinking tea. Now here's my confession. Let's fast forward. Right now, I have all my group of friends who grew up in Kenya doing the same exact thing. Every time we go to each home, we sit down and guess what we're doing? Kashai, we're drinking tea. Can you believe that? History. I would have never dreamt that I would be the one asking for tea in anybody's home. And we're very particular about how the tea is made, how it tastes, and everything. You have to taste the milk, you have to taste the masala, and you have to taste the tea itself. And if it's made right, you will be sitting down too and having a cup of chai. So I'm gonna let you guys sit back and I'll show you how to make the perfect cup of tea. Welcome to Cooking with Nanu. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kenyan tea. For ingredients we have 1 cup of water, 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of tea, and 1 tablespoon of tea masala. So we're going to go ahead and put the water. Nice and hot pot. And then the masala. We're going to let that come to a boil. And now it's come to a boil, and I'm gonna add the milk. You're gonna let that boil. Almost, you have to keep watching it. You can't walk away from it because once the milk heats up really well and it starts to boil over, that's when you put your tea in there. And you basically have to be there, make sure it doesn't boil over. So here we go. So now it's bubbling up. You see that? So what I'm going to do so I'm not late is I'm going to put my tea, just spread it out like that. And then now I like to have a spoon handy so I can kind of tease it in, stir it in. And again, always make sure you are ready to pick it up if you need to. And now you'll see it start to rise. Yep, see the bubbles right there? So now this is almost like go time. And what I like to do is kind of do that. See that? Once I move that out of the way, look at that. It starts to kind of cook that tea in there. The more tea you add, the darker it becomes and the stronger it is too. So it all depends on what you like. So now I'm gonna just let it rise one more time and we'll be done. See how it's boiling in there? There goes your tea. Now before you get to enjoy your tea, you have to sieve it. Just by doing this, I bet you a bunch of people who are tea drinkers know exactly why we have 2 of them. Well, between the tea and the tea masala is finer. And you want to sieve it in such a way that as you're drinking it, you get all the flavors in there without tasting any particles from the tea masala or even the tea. So this does it. And I'm sure a lot of you who make chai at home already know what this is all about. So here we go. Place them on there. And then just get it to pour. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour my tea and enjoy it with some mandazis. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Moment I've been waiting for. It just hits your palate. You taste the masala in there, the milk and the tea. Thank you for watching Cooking with Nanu.